Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So Trust Wallet has been making waves as a go-to crypto wallet, but does it really live up to the hype? If you're considering diving into the world of digital currencies, you might want to stick around for this review. Whether you're just buying your first crypto or already managing a few different coins, choosing the right wallet is important because it affects how safely and easily you can access your assets. Trust Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that supports a wide range of digital assets. It's designed to provide a user-friendly way to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. Right off the bat, the app has a clean interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. You can manage your assets across different blockchains, which is a significant plus if you're into diversifying your portfolio. For example, instead of using separate wallets for different coins, Trust Wallets gives you one place to view and manage many of them, which can make crypto feel less confusing for new users. One standout feature is the built-in dApp browser, allowing users to interact with decentralized applications directly from the wallet. This can be a game changer for those looking to engage with DeFi platforms or NFTs. For example, you can connect to decentralized exchanges, explore NFT marketplaces, or use blockchain-based apps without leaving the wallet. However, while it offers a lot of functionality, some users may find the lack of advanced security features, like multi-sig supports, a bit concerning. Multi-sig support can add extra protection by requiring more than one approval before funds are moved, so its absence may matter more to users holding larger amounts. Additionally, Trust Wallet is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys, which is great for security-conscious users. Nonetheless, that also means you're fully responsible for your assets, and if you lose your recovery phrase, your funds are gone. This is one of the biggest things beginners need to understand. Trust Wallet does not hold your recovery phrase for you, and there is no simple password reset like a normal online account. So if you use it, store your recovery phrase somewhere safe, offline, and never share it with anyone. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Trust Wallet's user-friendly design and wide asset support make it appealing for both newbies and experienced users. The dApp browser is a fantastic addition for those looking to explore the DeFi space. It gives users more freedom to interact with Web3 tools, swap tokens, and explore blockchain apps from a mobile device, which is convenient if you prefer managing crypto on the go. However, there are some drawbacks. The absence of multi-signature support can be a deal-breaker for those prioritizing security. Also, while the app is intuitive, some advanced features might feel a bit lacking for experienced traders. If you're looking for deep charting tools, complex order types, or professional trading features, Trust Wallet may feel more like a storage and access wallet than a full trading platform. It works best for managing assets and connecting with decentralized apps, not necessarily for advanced market analysis. In terms of trust, Trust Wallet is backed by Binance, which adds a layer of credibility, but it's always wise to do your own research. No wallet should be trusted blindly, especially in crypto, where scams and fake apps are common. Always download the app from official sources, double-check website links, and be careful when connecting your wallets to unknown platforms. Pricing isn't an issue since Trust Wallet is free, but remember, transaction fees can vary based on the blockchain. For example, Ethereum fees can sometimes be higher during busy network periods, while other chains may be cheaper. So who should consider Trust Wallet? If you're new to crypto or looking for an easy way to manage multiple assets, it's definitely worth a try. It is especially useful for casual users who want a simple mobile wallet with broad asset support and access to decentralized apps. But if you're an experienced user who values advanced security features, you might want to explore other options. Users with larger portfolios may prefer hardware wallets or wallets with stronger multi-approval security features. Overall, Trust Wallet feels like a solid choice for casual users, but proceed with caution if security is your top priority. It offers convenience, wide crypto support, and easy access to Web3, but you still need to take personal responsibility for your recovery phrase, wallet connections, and transaction decisions. So before using it seriously, take a little time to learn the basics of wallet safety, and never store more than you're comfortable managing on your own.